Alright, this will be elevator number 2 at the IKEA store in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. It's also a Schindler MT. And here it comes. Back there's elevator number 1. We'll write this one later. And here it is. Alright, we're going up to level 2. 2R. Here we go. See where 2R? It opens up right here. Oh, going down?
Yeah. You too?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Again, you remember this elevator. You were 1F. There you go, I got the door for you.
Thank you. Okay. Thanks so much.
We'll end the video up at 2R. That's where my mom and dad is going to meet me. Now we'll go ahead and get a cab view. Again, you remember this elevator, don't you? It's got empty fixtures. This one also has an AA compliant phone. Here are 2R. And this will be where we end the video. So we're going to exit the elevator on here. Sounds like a death trap. And there goes and. That's it. The video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. Click the buttons. Here, here, or here. And don't forget to subscribe and light that bell. Until next time, bye y'all!